Did you call a plumber?
No.
No, you didn't call for a plumber, and that's probably because the council has now decided to have an annual plumbing checkup every year. That's why it's got annual in the name. And that's why I'm here, to check up and all your plumbing stuff. So can I come in?
No, I'm kind of busy.
Okay, that's great. Yeah, let's go. So, where's your toilet?
Oh, it's just to the left around the corner.
Alright, let's get a little look here. Let's see what's under the hood. Alright, got my trusty plunger. Whoa! Seems to be all in check. Alright. Oh no. No, that's not okay. That's not okay. Got a little faulty pipe there.
What's wrong with it? Is there a crack or something?
No! White colour, Snoozy. Snoozy. Oh, you're so funny, yes you are. You're so funny. Honk honk. Bing, bang, bang, bang. Honk. Oh. I'm so tired.
Oh then.
No, you see, the problem here is that this pipe is made out of the wrong material. You see, most toilets are made out of, like, porcelain or fiberglass. I mean, some are made out of gold if they're really rich or something, or some are made out of cement or silver or fiberglass or porcelain or silver. Some people even have, like, lead. I don't know if they'll die from lead poisoning, but, like, they have it. But this toilet's made out of something else. It's made out of cardboard, this pipe. And this could collapse at any given minute. You see? So, what I would suggest would be to just, like, completely get a new pipe. Because if it collapses, you're gonna have poo everywhere. Like, you don't want that. You have a stinky bathroom. Don't want that. And I actually have one in my van if you want to come and come back with me and, you know, pick it up a new pipe, and I'll charge you half the price of what a normal pipe would be. How's that sound?
It's alright.
Yeah. Well, let's get it going. Alright, just come this way.
Yeah.
Just down here. Dropped one of my tools, that's okay. Alright, let me just come back here and have a look. Yeah, it's in here somewhere. I dropped some of my screwdrivers. Well, I can't seem to find it. I must have left it back at a warehouse. So how about we swing by there, we'll pick it up, come back here and I'll install it for you.
Alright.
Alright. Alright. Here we are. My warehouse of wonders. Let me show you my wall of toilets over here. You see, ever since I became a plumber, I've been sort of obsessed with toilets. See, I get to know about the newest toilet model before anyone else in the world. It's probably just because I'm the greatest plumber. Am I right?
The reason I came here is to get the pipe. So where is it?
Yeah, toilet pipe. Yeah, I forgot about that. Well, should be over here somewhere. Alright, it should be over here somewhere. Oh yeah, here it is. Here we go.
Is that all we needed?
Yeah, this is the sort of thing that you're looking for. Sort of like, I mean, if you have a really big poo, I'm not sure if it's gonna, you know, it's gonna have to really squeeze through it. But it's actually all I've got. I thought I had better, but
Who's your manager?
I don't have a manager. I'm my own manager. I own this plumbing company. Alright, let's get a move on. Wanna shoot some hoops?
Quiet.
It's fun.
Oh yeah, good shot. I don't want to shoot hoops. I am sick and tired of this. I mean, seriously, you are stupid. You are the most retarded person ever. I don't know why you think of making this company.
You know what? You can find your own way home. Yeah. Have fun. Hello, Adam.
Where are you?
I'm in the house.
Why are you in my
I'm
house?
doing all of this so you will learn your lesson.
What lessons?
You'll find out what the lesson is soon enough.
Hey, that's on my computer.
Hmm.
Hey, that's my dressing gown too.
Yeah.
And you're in my house.
Yeah. You see, Adam, you took this on yourself. The only one to blame here is you. You see, just because I'm a plumber doesn't mean you have to treat me like crap. I mean, yeah.
Where are you going?
I was invited to a party.
What party? Hey, Steven! How's it going? Hey!
Let's go.
Oh, hi, Adam. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to thank you for coming out here tonight. We're going to start off with some good old-fashioned karaoke. And I'm going to be singing a song that you should all know. It's called What Is Love by Hadaway. Alright, let's get started. What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me no more. Oh, baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me no more. you get in? Oh yeah, I locked all the doors and windows in the house, apart from this one.
Where are you?
Okay, how about we forget about this whole thing and I slip you a 50?
No!
Oh, it's just Monopoly money, man!
Yeah! Don't come back! So good to be back in my house again.